Hello, welcome to Amma Stories. Today I am going to tell you another fairy tale. Now, fairy tale means Vikram Vetal stories. Why are Vikram Vetal stories coming under the category of fairy tales? Because in fairy tales there will be some kind of magic or maybe some unusual events or maybe some unusual or unimaginable creatures all there in the story. So that's why these stories are coming under fairy tales category. Now today I'm going to tell you a story told by Vetal to King Vikramaditya. Remember, Vikramaditya ruled over Ujjain some 3000 years ago, and that's when these stories came into existence. Now, let's hear the story. Once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a kingdom called Chandragiri. It was ruled by a king whose name was Chandrakant. Chandrakant was a very generous, kind, and handsome king. Although he was a kind king, he ruled his country with an iron fist. So naturally, there were no robbers, no thieves, etc. in his country. The people led beautiful lives. Always there were celebrations, and all the people were very rich as the king encouraged trade as well as agriculture. Now, one day, the king was going to the temple for his worship. Now, when he reached the palace gates, the guard came and bowed to him and said, "Your Majesty, yesterday I had a dream. In my dream, I saw the neighboring king attacking our country and carrying away all the riches." Hearing this, the king was taken a little aback. He asked, "But you are not the spy. How did you come to know?" The palace guard answered, "Majesty, in my dream, when I was sleeping, I saw the dream." So the king went back and made all military arrangements and attacked that kingdom and imprisoned that king. And in reality, the neighboring kingdom was going to attack Chandragiri, it seems. So the king thanked the palace guard. And when he returned victorious, the people were excited. They began to sing and dance and welcomed their king with so much joy and happiness. After all the celebrations were over, the king made an announcement. He said, "I want to give to 1000 gold coins to the palace guard who alerted me about the attack. If he was not there, I would have never been able to conquer the neighboring kingdom. So I think he should be gifted." So all the people came in the evening. The palace guard also came with his near and dear ones, and there was a huge feast in honor of him. After everything was over, the king gave 1000 gold coins to the palace guard and dismissed him from his job. Here Vetal stops the story and asked Vikramaditya, "Why do you think the king dismissed the palace guard from his job?" Vikramaditya thought for a while and he said, "I think a palace guard's duty is to guard the palace 24 hours a day. Now, when he is dreaming, that means he is sleeping while he is doing his duty. So that's why the king dismissed him from his job. Because if a palace guard sleeps, anyone can come into the palace. Any intruder can come in and carry away the riches or can harm the people living inside the palace. Hearing this answer, Vetal went back to the tree. So this is the story. As I told you earlier, Vikram Vetal stories always enhances our logical thinking. So share this story with maximum number of people. Like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Till we meet next time with another story. Tata, bye bye.